I got so much hate from Apple fanboys recently for saying that these two earbuds sound better than Apple AirPods Pro. Now, for context, what I said was that the Moondrop Space Travel had better bass than the Apple AirPods Pro. And about the Denon Perl Pro, what I said was that they had better spatial audio. And that's why I will be using this binaural microphone to exactly capture what three of these earbuds sound like, so that you can tell me which one you like the most and probably is worth buying.